I'm Morgan, and today I wanted to do a quick little comparison of different hair tie types and what I use those for. So first of all, for the really thick telephone cord type hair ties, I typically will only use these for like the bases of buns because I find that with my straight hair, they tend to stick out a lot. And so if I was doing like more of a ponytail, I'd probably use something like this, just a standard thick hair elastic. Or if I'm doing like two pigtails, I might use a slightly thinner one. If I am doing something like the ends of a braid, I will typically use, if it's just one braid, maybe something like this, a thin hair tie, or else a smaller style of thin hair tie like this. I find that these ones still come out relatively easily, but they also work well for like thinner sections of hair like this. And then I like these clear hairbands a lot too, but I find that these tend to be a right proper pain to take out of my hair, and they do come in a couple of different sizes. Like here, this is one that would be good for a slightly thicker section of hair, but then they also have very like small ones like this, which are they are a little bit tight even on my pinky. So there are different types of sizes and stuff, and this type of hair tie would work really well if you're doing like a lot of small like sections of hair for something, or else for like doll hair, I think these would work well too. But yeah, I hope that this helps to, I guess, inspire you to try new and creative different hairstyles and stuff. And this really probably mostly applies to straight hair because people with different textured hair might find that different things work better for them. And I hope that you have a great day. Bye!